Habits.
Habits can make you, but they can also break you.
Every single good habit that we start to acquire in our life will make our life more easier. It's not a theory, it's not a feel good charm, or it's not a wishful thinking. It's a reality.
We have heard many times from our elders that the way we think we became, but we also became what we do things consistently in our life. Those consistent things become habits, and that habits will decide whether in our life we will going to become successful or unsuccessful, our life will be enjoyable or miserable.
And that's why in this video we will learn how habits make an impact in our life, and at last we will give you some methods on how we can create new habits and stick to it. So let's start.
So let's now understand how habits form. Habits are formed when we do certain things repeatedly in our daily activities, and knowingly or unknowingly it became part of our life. The process become automatic.
For example, when we used to be a kid, we were often told to regularly brush our teeth early in the morning. But now, no one needs to tell us to do that. You definitely have noticed this when we go to the school or college for the very first time. We try to remember all the routes, all the streets where we have to turn right or where we have to turn left. But eventually, day by day, when we go to our school or college with the same route, now we no longer need to focus on the route where we have to take right or where we have to take left, or whether it is the right route or not. And sometimes we might get there without knowing also.
Because we have done these things so many times in our life, it became part of our life. Like we are running on an autopilot mode. Now our brain do not need any energy to perform such tasks.
Charles Duhigg, in his book The Power of Habit, a case study on why we do what we do in our life, in that he explained habits adopted by human behavior is done by 3 steps. That is trigger, routine, and then reward. First, there is a trigger to tell your brain to go into automatic mode. Then there is a routine which can be physical, mental, or emotional. And finally, there is a reward which help you to figure out if this particular loop is worth remembering or not. And that's how we make our habits, and that's how the habits form. It's emerge without our permission.
Do you know that 40 to 45% of the things we do regularly in our life are our habits that we have formed? So don't you think we should at least be using some of our free time on developing some good habits so that we can emerge ourselves stronger and better than ever before?
If you are getting confused and having problem with where to start, then let me make it easy for you. First, I want you to take out a piece of paper, and in that piece of paper, I want you to draw a line vertically and horizontally like this. Now, each of this section, I want you to write your life's most important area, that is health, financial, skills, happiness and relationship. And I want you to think and scale yourself from 0 to 10 in these particular area of your life. Take your time to really think about where you currently stand for each of this area in your life.
So here, the first thing is health. It focuses on physical health, like do you exercise at all, is your diet healthy, are you happy with the way you look, are you overweight, etc. Next is financial status, like are you happy with your current income status, do you want some more income sources, or are you prepared for medical emergencies, etc.
The third is a skill, and here you should think about your skills that makes you completely different from others. Like, do you have any talents, or what are you good at, or is there any particular skills in you that are good enough to make a good living for you. Coming to fourth and last, happiness and relationship. Here you should think about the social support system that you currently have in your life. Do you have someone close that you can trust and can talk to? Do you have good relationship between your parents and siblings? And happiness focused on your mental health. Are you happy, or are you dealing with any mental obstacle that are weighting you down? And if you are dealing with any mental obstacle, then I will recommend you to watch our very first video. It will really help you.
Now, take your time and carefully think upon those areas. After that, you just need to figure out what habits you must develop to improve all the areas in your life.
When you have figured out the habit that you need to have in your life, let's take a look on how we can create a habit that will stick to us. You know, in a study, it states that it takes 21 days to make a habit and 90 days to make a lifestyle. That is, if we do one particular behavior for the next 21 days, then it will become our habit. And if we continue on the behavior for next 90 days, then it will adopt in our lifestyle. And here the term behavior, I mean one particular task, reading book, exercise for 20 minutes, learning new thing, or etc. You might think, OMG, how I sustain one particular behavior for that long period of time? So don't worry, we are here for that.
So let's start with first method. Take small targets that you can easily achieve. It is also called as mini habits. So one of our biggest problem is that we expect too much from ourselves, and as a result we end up doing nothing sometimes. So let us say you want to develop a habit of reading books. So don't take a target like reading 40-50 pages per day or completing a book in a day. Start with taking small targets like reading 4 to 5 pages per day. Don't take very big targets at the beginning. Start with small targets that you can easily achieve.
Now you might think, come on, it can be done by anyone. Yes, exactly. And that's what you need to understand. Whatever habit you need to acquire or develop in yourself, first make it so small, simple and short that you can perform it daily. Because here the matter is not how much you can do or how much is your capacity. Here the matter is, are you doing it regularly or not? And by making the behavior so simple, short and small, it will be done consistently without any problem. Like if you want to start doing exercise, rather you want it to do for 1 hour, just start with doing for 20 minutes. Just start doing the things regularly until it becomes your habit. And once it becomes your habit, you can go and push your limit day by day.
Now coming to second method, tell others that you are practicing a new habit. Because when you tell someone that you are practicing a new habit or what you are up to, you will be more determined and disciplined, because you will know that someone is watching you to see whether you have the willpower to follow through on your resolutions.
The best way to showcase your day by day process you are making on something is just upload your photos to your social media. Or by the end of this video, if we have made an impact in your life and you are started making some good habits by yourself by using our methods, then you can use the hashtag positive impact theory to showcase us what you are doing on a regular basis. Whether it is reading a book or 20 minutes of daily exercise or drinking much of water, learning new things, etc.
Now, method 3. Write down your goal and know the benefits. You might be thinking that I already know this thing, it's on my mind, but no, if you write it down on a piece of paper, it makes your goal more clear and it reminds you every time when you read it. Then familiarize yourself with the benefits of making a change. Get books or watch videos that shows the benefit of making that habit. The more benefits you know, the more you will be willing to develop that habit. So the last step, keep a track of your performance every day. How you can do that? It's very easy. Take a piece of paper and make rows and column like this. On the top of the paper, write down all the days from Monday to Sunday, and on the left side, write down the time to which you get up to the time you go to sleep. After that, track all your activities, what you are doing every day to make this habit stick to you.
Check the boxes every time and every day when you perform your activity. If you are doing 20 minutes of exercise in the morning or you are learning a new thing in the evening, just check your boxes and remind yourself what you have done and what needed to be done. Make your schedule according to it. See how easy it is to make a habit. Anyone can do that, but not everyone does. So don't go with everyone, make your own identity.